Paran, tell me, beta. Still remember acutely the first day that you came to me. What was your experience like when you just joined at NSLA?
It was too hectic, and then you were like extremely strict on the first day only, but then that has actually helped me a lot.
But I think from what I recollect, language was not great with you. I mean, you kind of didn't really like languages. Am I right if I recollect it correctly?
Yeah, it was not my forte.
Okay, but how did you deal with that language? I mean, before you came here, what was English like for you?
So English was just a subject. It was like I have to get it done. If I pass, that's all I want. I don't want to excel. Just the passing marks is all I need.
Okay, but why did you carry that experience with you? I mean, is that that you couldn't understand concepts properly? Is that grammar wasn't working for you? What was it that really made you dislike the subject, or probably you were very neutral to it? You just wanted to get through it, but there was no passion for this language, right?
Yeah, so
Nice.
basically not getting the concept and then understanding the words, like where to use them and how to use them. I had problems with that, so I hated the subject.
Okay, okay. So it was as extreme as he did.
Yeah.
Okay. How did things change once you started with this?
So then gradually, like your techniques, like underlining the words, then reading it twice, thrice, reading the entire comprehension twice, that helped me a lot, like to understand, implement things.
Okay, so it was a transformation from not understanding something to
Yes.
understanding, right? So that changed the whole configuration of the
Yeah.
subject, right, for you?
Yes.
Okay, and also in between, if you recollect, Parin, I think you swayed, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere I had to be very, very disciplined with you to get you back. I could feel that, the same passion that you were carrying initially when we started. Of course, initially when we started, you hated the subject. Then I saw you improvising, and then again there came a phase where I saw you kind of not in tune with language. Can you just tell something about that phase?
So I became too overconfident with the language, and then I got influenced by my friends. I didn't pay a lot of attention to it. I got knocked down into a different part of my life, like that I was like sab aata hai, I can do everything.
I like that. Sab aata hai, I can do everything, because your grades started becoming better,
Yeah.
and I mean, we would acknowledge your piece every time. And of course, when you spoke about me being strict and disciplined, and I was, and I am with my students,
Yes.
what impression did it start leaving on your head? How did you feel? But then, what did you realize along the journey? Very important.
So I felt that you were being too strict, and then I thought that I feel I am wrong and ma'am is always right. But then gradually I learned that whatever she's saying is right. She knows my potential. So whatever I write, that is not up to the mark. So she just wants my best. That's what I learned.
Okay. So today, when you have topped the foyer at Panba International with A star in 93 on 100 in English, which is commendable, and we are going to definitely pat your back for that. Just let me know how this journey actually, like a summary, a synopsis of how the whole journey started with you, how me being strict and being disciplined with your language skills, because that's somewhere where I've always seen children faltering. The moment a teacher is strict and disciplined, they avert from the subject. They do not want to go to the space where they are made to complete. I remember there were times when I used to keep you back till 9:30.
Yeah.
But what you didn't realize was that I also was sitting back with
Yeah.
you, right? When I was making you write something twice or thrice, I was, inviting more work. I was inviting more corrections,
Yes.
right? But at heart, my intentions were always that this child has a potential. Every child has a potential, rather.
Yeah.
And why not drive it to their best?
Yes.
But I would love your synopsis on that, Paran.
So initially I didn't like the subject, but then as soon as I joined NSLA, I still didn't like it, but then gradually over the years, you and Nipa Parekh ma'am helped me a lot through my skills. Like I wrote 3-4 essays in one class each week, and gradually it made me a better person. It fine-tuned my skills a lot. So all credits to NSLA.
Thank you so much. And anything where my disciplined nature is concerned? Did you really think that it helped you?
Yeah.
If I hadn't been so strict and disciplined, what could have been the scenario?
I wouldn't have gotten an A star. I would probably an average student still, but then your discipline, your strictness has helped me a lot.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please. Love you.